Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I hope all of you are doing well and having a great day. Ngi pidang subhai pi baro asyakani ka channel ka jangi but hagani ka video ka bamtas ngi ngin pe yakini ki MCQs lani ki multi choice questions ki balabon wan haki exam kam lani ki exam entrance but kinyarap ha yapi. Subscribe yakani ka channel but turn on your notification bell ru kanang pinum do yaki video ki bangi upload. Sa follow lang ru yangi hapo ka Instagram. Kani kadai ka Instagram account ka jangi. Number 1. Where is Cellar Tunnel situated? Lani hangno kadon kani ka Cellar Tunnel. The answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Number 2. In May 2021, who was elected as the Speaker of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly? Lani haume arhajar arphuai manobasha jir kum Speaker jangka West Bengal Legislative Assembly. The answer is D. Biman Bandyopadhyay. Number 3. Who was appointed as the first ever native female Chief Secretary of Meghalaya? Lani manobadai ka native female Chief Secretary jangka Meghalaya kabanding Kongdo. The answer is D. Rebecca Vanessa Suchiang. Number 4. Who launched the Jal Jeevan Mission mobile application in October 2021? Lani manobapanmi yakani ka Jal Jeevan Mission mobile application hau October arajar arphuai. The answer is B. Narendra Modi. Number 5. The largest island of Indian Ocean is? Lani ka island kabahe do jangka Indian Ocean. The answer is C. Madagascar. Number 6. How many states are covered under Pragati program? Lani kanutuli ki states ki badan hapo kanika Pragati program. The answer is B. 7. Number 7. When was Swachh Bharat Mission launched? Lani hakasnam iyu ki sedang yakani ka Swachh Bharat Mission. The answer is C. 2014. Number 8. The American Civil War took place in? Lani hakisnam iyu ka ja kani ka thama American Civil War. The answer is D. 1861 to 1865. Number 9. What is the rank of India on World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021? Lani hakarang iyu kapoy ka India hakani ka Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report arhajar arphoy. The answer is A. 140th. Number 10. The headquarters of United Nations is located in? Lani hangno kadon kani ka headquarters jangka United Nations. The answer is D. New York.